use it for show them to support us, and 4 markets composed together.
It's 4 markets in one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, use like a food container or decoration, the auspicious material like this. There's lots of flowers.
Ah, nice. Lotus. Oh, sticky ones. Yeah.
That one. Better than KFC.
Yes, better than KFC, yes. I'm sure it is. Although KFC's good.
Texas.
Yeah.
Texas fried chicken.
I think we're making roses.
Decorate.
The inside also.
So, usually business run 24 hours.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Huh?
But when
Tuk-tuks.
tuk-tuk, yes.
I love tuk-tuks. Wait, we're going that way? Alright, we get through.
Oh, พวกมือแหละ
Food trial, so we walk by this way.
Okay.
Potato. Tomato.
Oh, that's nice.
Vâng chào. Wow. Gặp bốn gì?
Big market. Oh wow, this is a very big one. So is this the main flower market right here?
Yes.
It looks pretty big.
Yes.
Wow.
Used to be more crowd.
Beautiful.
Things like this we use like a social communication. We chew and then we got red saliva. We spit out. Western people say, "Oh, you sick." Every people sick. Thai people sick because of spit.
Right.
The blood out from the mouth. But it really did. This one preserve our teeth. Our teeth blackened by the what you call.
Oh, it's good for your teeth.
Yep. And the present day no more.
No more.
Except God. Dedicate for God. For ceremony. For ancestor spirit. Nutmeg.
Chess.
You know, working here in the past really horrible and really difficult. So until some people sleep inside us.
Oh really? Wow.
Got less money. Work hard.
Although you can't see it here, it is quite humid out here. Bangkok is the hottest city in the world, and you can feel it.
Magnolias. Really wonderful. Not only the flower, but also leaf and shell. lot of flower classified to be vegetable
More vegetables, okay.
and herbs outside and fruit outside.
It keeps going. All right.
Yeah.
Yes, this is one big market. So as I was saying, it's about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and the humidity could be 90. Ah, that's the, okay, I need to stay away from that.
Look at this. The
Those-
most
those-
spicy.
That's the most spicy ones right
Yeah,
there?
yeah. this
Okay.
one. If you don't believe me, you can.
Oh, I believe you.
And this big lather sweet.
Yeah, because your spices here are 10 times spicier than the United States.
You're right. You're right.
So
100 times.
make sure when we order food, make sure I get no spices. Even though I know I'm missing out, but I do not want to get Bangkok belly or whatever they call it. Oh wow, what are those?
Ginger.
Oh, it's ginger. Okay. More chili peppers. How many blocks does this go over? 3 blocks. Wow. It's a nice size.
Spicy, but not spicy.
That's right.
American and Europeans also like. This is a Chinese